Everyone, in this video I will be telling you about the notification settings in Vivo T3x. If you want to change the notification settings or if you want to do the notification settings, I will tell you how to do it. You just have to watch complete video, follow all the steps, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe. For further details, now let's watch the video.